This week our letter is letter X, and X makes the sound. When we form capital X, our little poem is it's a criss and a cross, and lowercase x is the same way, it's just smaller, a criss and a cross. So for homework, you and your child can pick one of the options to practice letter X, or they can come up with their own way. Take a picture of them doing their activity, submit it to their Class Dojo page, and then they'll get a color in their chart. So the first option is forming letter X with straws. One way to make this a little bit trickier is if you take some straws and you cut them up into tinier pieces, it'll just take some more time for them to form the X's. They can write letter X in shaving cream. They can form letter X with tinfoil. We've been using tinfoil in our class lately for some activities, and they really enjoy it. So you just tear pieces off and they can crunch it together and form letter X. They can finish their handwriting page, or like I said, they can come up with their own option.